Yo, what's good, YouTube? Just pulled up to the shop. Best shop in the Haven, you heard me? Man, we checking on the BMW. We got the baddest body shop guy around here. Sorry, Edgar. Yeah, man, I ran into my car. The BMW is off the road for now. To be back on the road. 3:30 be back soon. Look at it. Yeah, man. It's a crazy story about how I crashed it. I'm gonna get back to y'all with that. As soon as I hop in the whip, I'm gonna let y'all know what happened. It's a lot to the story. You hear me? But for now, look at my baby. It's in the shop, man. It's coming soon. Yeah. Bro, it's crazy.
You just leave out that part.
Yeah.
If you want, you just put a plastic behind it and paint it.
Put something behind that and paint it, huh?
You get in a plastic after the whole bumper, put out piece like this.
Yeah.
Just stick it on back and it just show like the original one.
Oh.
The blank plastic, in a measure.
Yeah.
Come with a little cut it like this.
Yeah. See?
Blank, yeah, just paste it on this.
Oh. Man, it's crazy how these come plastic. Yeah, I know, bro, these plastic right here. Look at this. This plastic. That's crazy. Man, it's plastic. The car itself, look, it's a whole different type of material. Yep. But he got everything looking right. I guess this screw got to tighten up once everything get fit up right here. Yeah, this is metal. That's metal. Bro, this was leaning, bro. This was literally leaning. This was leaning. You feel me? Leaning, I'm telling you. I don't know how he got it back like that, but he the man, trust me. He the man. I tell you, he got you, he got you. When them Reynolds used to, he the one I used to call, they go back looking better than they came out the damn Reynolds, the airport, trust me. He used to get them right for me. Talking about the Audi. Yep. He even got the Range Rover back right for me. Yep. He gonna be fixing the Range Rover soon. Yeah, man. But look, I'm gonna let y'all know when we hop back in the vehicle, I'm gonna get back at y'all. All right, y'all, so I just left the shop, right? So let me give you the story real quick of how this happened, how my car got into the accident. So just got done playing soccer, about to go home, stopped by my homeboy house like, yo, let me pick up some food real quick to eat, you know what I mean? Picking up some Sunday dinner, you know what I mean? Normal routine. So I'm pulling off the block, going in, bruh. And like, you know what I mean? I'm going down the street, just going down. I'm thinking this is a normal neighborhood. So this lady, like, I seen her brake lights in her driveway. So I'm going down, not thinking nothing. So I'm thinking this lady see me, you know what I mean? Yeah, little I know, she probably did see me, but she thought she was in the right. I don't know what give her all the right to think that I'm on the road and she in the right. So she just kept backing up. I tried to swerve out of short and she just rammed into the front of the car right there, like you see, bro. So I'm like, damn, like, man, the sensors in my car, everything, the car just went beep, 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 and just went off into the ditches. She slammed me into the ditches. I came out the car, you know what I mean, check on my stuff, check, make sure I'm good, all that. Then I check on her. Crazy, bro. You know she had a kid in the car with her? She had a kid in the car with her being that irresponsible. So I'm like, how the hell she driving like this? And she got a kid in the car. So, you know what I mean? I'm like, damn. So she must think she in the right. She definitely thought she was in the right. How she reacted. She like, oh, this, that, she gonna call the cops. So she called the cops. You know what I mean? I'm like, yeah, call the cops. You know what I mean? Because I know I'm in the right. So she called them. They came. You know what I mean? The regular sheriff come. Sheriff came. You know what I mean? They didn't even tell me nothing if I'm right or wrong. They just came and like, oh, the airbags got deployed, so we got to call the state trooper. They called the state trooper. State trooper popped up. When they came, they like, all right, they letting her know, she in the wrong. You know what I mean? Because they like, I'm on the right of way. I'm on the road. She coming out her driveway. She need to look at the road to make sure ain't nobody driving by, none of that. She thinking she in the right. Ain't that crazy? So the cop told her, so the cop like, what you want to do? So let me tell you now, it's crazy because it's some stuff I left out. Hear the crazy part about the story. Shorty, she ain't even had no insurance, it don't seem like, because she ain't present no insurance information. I gave her my insurance information like 2-3 times. She ain't showing me no insurance information, none of that. She called the ambulance. The ambulance came. Her daughter got checked on. They say her daughter was good and everything. But the minute she found out she was wrong, Shorty ain't want to talk to me at all. But the minute she found out she was wrong, that's the minute that she wanted to come talk to me, be cordial, all that stuff, bro. But you want to know the funny thing about it? It's the funny thing about it, bro. I didn't even try to get our insurance involved, bro. Because you want to know what? I know it's going to be looking bad for me and her because she didn't have no... Yeah, so before I got disconnected, yeah, what I was saying is it didn't even look like she have insurance. She ain't seem like nobody with insurance. She ain't present insurance to me. Not the cops, not nobody. You get what I'm saying? So what the conclusion that I drew from that was Shorty ain't had no insurance. You feel me? And I'm like, man, I ain't finna be no asshole and go all the way. You know what I mean? Even though she was doing that. You know what I mean? I hope she learned from that lesson. Like, yo, sometimes you could just be being just an asshole for no reason. And it don't make no sense. You feel me? So just be good to people because you don't never know who or what. Who gonna come back and show you some love and all that stuff. Because if I would have went hard on her, trust me, surely she would have got a ticket or something. Because she was in the wrong. So she would have gotten a ticket. You get what I'm saying? But I ain't the type of person to be like, I seen her, she had a daughter there and all that. I'm a father too. So it's like, you know what I mean? I got sympathy there, and I'm like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna let her have it. You feel me? I'm not gonna bring no insurance involved and do all this stuff and get it messy. I'll fix my car, she'll fix her car. Her airbags got deployed, so she probably got a little bit more to deal with the airbags. You get what I'm saying? So I took the weight, I took the lick for me, and she gotta take it for herself. You feel me? It's not me being what you call it. I'm not saying that I couldn't have went and like the car could have been fixed already, basically. But me doing it by myself, it probably took a little longer. You know what I mean? It was the same way with my Range Rover. When Shorty, I was wrong. Shorty went with the insurance right away when I hit my Range Rover. It was different. I wish Shorty could have been like, hey, you know what? We ain't gonna get them peoples involved. You fix my car, I fix your car. I fix my car, you fix your car. But now everybody like that. They see me jumped out the Range Rover, they probably like, oh, he got money, he do that. I felt like Shorty slammed on her brakes so I could slam at her. That's how I felt, bro. I felt like she literally set me up to run in her car, bro. But that's how it is, man. It's a new year. I'm starting it off positive. Let's get these cars on the road and let's get things going. You know what I mean? Make sure you hitting the subscribe button for more videos and everything. Stay tuned. I'm out.